The LiDAR array is reporting accurate telemetry. Walk-around complete. All mounts secured. Integration successful.
It's unbelievable. Look at the detail.
The layering is absolute perfection.
That is absolutely fascinating. Look how precise it is. The food looks wonderful.
Truly impeccable service. Look at the precision.
It's incredible how gentle it is with the filo. A true master chef.
Look at that precision. Look at that precision. I've never seen anything like it.
The world's most advanced matte black industrial robot.
The alignment on the base motor looks good. Confirmed. Readout is within tolerance. How are the smaller units, eh? Gripper connections are secure, B.
Verify the targets now. Ensure the laser alignment on point 4 is within tolerance before we proceed.
As you can see from the data, the strength-to-weight ratio of the FR series exceeds requirements, ensuring long-term structural integrity.
A little to the left, hold steady there. All right, easy down, it's aligned. Start the torque sequence now.
Rerunning the diagnostics on the left servo now.
We have green indicators across the board, lead. All systems are nominal.
All parameters are green.
Confirmed. We are ready for the next phase. That dance sequence was incredible. Focus on the articulation points and the cable routing.
The current torque specs look good, Director. We confirm the design.
Excellent. Locking it in.
Verify the routing for the main input.
According to the schematic, it connects to terminal block 4.
See how the red highlights the stress right here?
Yes, if I rotate it, the load distribution shifts immediately.
We should run the simulation with the new material specs.
The LiDAR array is reporting accurate telemetry. Walk-around complete. All mounts secured. Integration successful.
Temperature check complete. Everything is nominal.
Confirmed on the diagnostic table. The alignment is perfect.
Incredible control. How is that even possible?
This is the future of the kitchen right here.
I can't even roll it that thin without tearing.
The precision is stunning. The control is unbelievable. Yeah.
It's flawless. A true culinary artist. That is absolutely fascinating. Look how precise it is. The food looks wonderful.
Truly impeccable service.
It's unbelievable. Look at the detail.
The layering is absolute perfection.
Subscribe for more Factory Insight.
This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3 Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.